So boys, day 304. Wait, day 304 of backtesting every single day. Man, I feel so tired. Nah, actually not tired, but I feel so happy that I'm able to make it to this day and able to do this backtesting. It's all for the best. Very thankful to God that I've made it on this day. You know, the Lord has been blessing me. You know, I just sometimes sit and reflect on how things have been going. I'm like, yeah, it's a blessing. So since this is another day, let's get going, let's get working, do our part, and God will do the absolute rest. So without delay, let's just get going. Alright, so let's go to the next day New York AM session. Just go to daily. I'm going on daily time frame. I can see that price has been moving bullish, even though I thought it would go bearish, but yeah, this is good. And I think maybe it might be rejecting like the weekly. You can see it was rejecting the weekly gap here. And the daily, we have this daily high right here, the 4-hour. We could retrace into a gap, which I don't see that we don't have any. There's also no 1 hour, but we have some trend line liquidity here, I guess. So I think price should genuinely retrace, probably to these lows here. So let's check where is no. I want to see where Asia's stuff is. Yeah, you can see that we have Asia lows at this low here. So it might mean that we might draw to those lows potentially, maybe soon, or not even at all. So we just have to wait and see. So let's wait for the open. Okay, so we have 830 low here, by the way. Remember, this was an FP. Got a 5-minute gap retracement here. Let's see if this 5-minute inverses, it will be fire. Okay, so if it's a 15-minute gap retracement, let's see, got a small inversion here. Looks like price is gonna head higher either way. So after this liquidity run here, I think, well, longs would have been good at this high, probably. You know, longs like this. It's a very, very small inversion. 1-to-1 kind of thing. And this is a 5-minute gap retracement. Maybe we might start displacing higher soon. And we got a good inversion here, the 2-minute. Try longs to these highs. Oof, this was so close. Look at, damn, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 ticks. Wow, I mean, these trades are these trades are crazy, but damn. Okay, well, I might get a good close here, but it looks like it's not inside of this gap. I think price is gonna go higher either way. Let's see if we can have a 30-minute gap retracement here. Okay. anyways, this was a good continuation. It's just that price didn't get another retracement for longs, but yeah, this is fire. Let's go to the next trading day. New York AM. Bro, yesterday was extremely bullish. Could have held longs. Anyways, we have this here and we have this here. So if price is bullish on this day, we'll obviously try out longs again. But bro, what happened this day? Like, no bearish candle was printed. Very, very heavy. Okay, so let's see if price will displace higher. 15 minutes is looking good as well, and I think with this 30-minute will be good. Let's see if we tap into the 30-minute. Yes, we do. Okay, I think we can try out longs right here before open. So I would like to move to break even maybe once this high here gets run. Bang! Very beautiful take profit. Might even continue higher, who knows. Oof, 5-minute gap retracement. Okay, so this turns out this is one of the day where you wouldn't hold trades. Okay, and another thing here is that we might be heading for these Asia lows as well, and this low resistance liquidity here, which you can see the first area has been met, and we're retracing higher, which for sure I think, yes, we might print some sort of power of 3 here as well. So let's see if we can retrace into a 5-minute. Oof. Okay, so it looks like the retracement failed, but this drop was good. Okay, another 5-minute gap retracement and an inversion. Let's see if price can hit these Asia lows. Oof, okay. Minute failed to retrace higher. There's an SMT here. Okay, close. Okay, that's a good 15-minute gap tap. I'd like to see it inverse though. Let's go to the next day. Next New York AM session. This gap here is good, so if it holds longs to that high will be good. SMT here. This is a crazy drop. I'd like to see reversal, quick one. Okay, this is a good inversion. Now we have some good rolls here. Wow, this mosquito was having the best of me. Yeah, got it. Okay, so who did this? Ooh, looks like I would have got stopped out either way. Crazy. Okay, 1 hour gap tap. Oof, okay, this was fast. I tapped into this 1 hour gap and it looks like we are rejecting already. Let's see if we inverse this 5 minutes. Run here. This is a good run, an SMT. Not my kind of trading day. New York AM session the next day. So another retracement into these very beautiful gaps. I'd like to see price displays higher though, but if it doesn't, then we'll be looking for shorts, because as of now when you check the 4 hour, we're traced into this 4 hour here, so it's possible that we might also draw to this low here, and I think it's also an Asia low or close to it. Yeah, it's an Asia low, so you can see it's a possible target. There's also here an inversion that's forming, so let's wait for the next retracement higher and try shorts. Okay, here's the first inversion. Okay, so we got a small inversion here that we can try out. After this 5-minute rejection here, you can try longs on this. Is it a 2-minute inversion? Yes. So you can still try longs, but then we're in this kind of New York opening gap and stuff like that. Damn, we were a few ticks away from take profit. But yeah, I think this wasn't a bad trade. This is nothing, this doesn't look good at all. But either way, the way the 4 hour closed bullish and the 1 hour closed bullish, I think maybe price should head higher. There's a gap here. And the 5-minute just inversed. Alright, so let's see if price will head higher. Let's see if we tap into this 30-minute. Okay, there's a 30-minute here. Minutes rejecting good, okay. These gaps here are good. So we can try longs to these highs here. We also have relatively equal highs, so we can try it out before lunch hour gets in. Oof. Yay. Yay. Okay, that's crazy. I mean, not bad at all, because I don't think there were any 5 minutes that were causing that. And then after stopping me out, it consolidates. Okay, New York AM. So I think this was a retracement, and now price has started displacing higher. Checking the 4 hour. So we had a very beautiful thing here. It's holding. I'd like to see price continue higher. We have some trend line liquidity, low resistance here. There's a gap here. Okay, let's see if price will displace higher. Let's see if these pros here get run, then price displaces higher. Right at open, crazy run. Bro, no gap at all. So after these runs, I don't know, doesn't look like we can get any kind of trades here. Crazy SMT here. I mean, price is gonna go higher, I think. Price is gonna go higher either way. Okay, so there's one potential place I could have got an entry, like here. Price fell short of this gap here, but on ES you can see it was an SMT, so still wasn't the best trade to take, so we'd rather wait. 15-minute gap retracement. I don't know, 4, 3, 2. How's it? 2 minutes? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, 3, nothing. Okay, maybe we might use the 4 minute or the 1 minute. Actually, here the 1 minute looks better instead, and we still have the beautiful SMT. So since there's an SMT here and here, I still think longs will be good, and it's a 15-minute gap retracement right there. So I believe if we are to displace higher, this should be the moment after this inversion. Okay, if price displaces strongly through this high, we'd move to break even right away. Okay, then it taps. Oof, okay, that's a crazy break even, but either way, look at how beautiful price take profit, man. Why would it pass all the way here? Let's go to the next trading day here. So 4 hours retracing. We have this high here. So like to see price start going higher. We have this here, so hopefully we can get some good longs, but if we don't, then we'll try shorts. It's as easy as that. We also have untapped 1 hour highs here. So this is 1 hour gap retracement right at open. Three-minute Justin burst with a very beautiful retracement to these highs here, and we got an SMT at the lows, bro. Why would I short against this? Actually, this retracement here was good. This retracement into this inversion was good, so we might just try it out here and see if price displaces lower, like all the way to these lows. Okay, let's see if we have some unfilled gaps here. We're already in a 4 hour unfilled gap, bro, so that would mean that I would have an ambiguous target, like maybe these rows here, something like that. break even type stuff. And bang, there's the break even. So 1 hour, 5 minutes luxury looking good here. This is a good closure on the 5 minute, and since we're in the 4 hour, we actually closed below the 4 hour. That's crazy. But why? Why would we close out of the 4 hour? Let's see if it's a 30 minute or if it's a 15 minute, if there is any kind of gap at least. Bro, nothing. I don't think there is my cup of tea in any of this. Let's go to the next trading day here. So price is still displacing higher. Yesterday was a slow day. So 4 hour is not retracing. The 1 hour, well, it's kind of in some sort of consolidation, but I can see we have some good draws higher. So if we it's the ratio of prop firms. Yes, it's day 304, man. Just, you know, kind of come and put it on here on YouTube. So I think price could potentially go higher, maybe to these Asia highs. Probably. Alright, so how's the 30-minute retracement into these gaps here? So let's see how price moves. So right at open, we leave behind these lows here. Looks like relatively equal lows, like these ones here. So I wouldn't try to long against this. There are some sort of SMTs as well, but I still think price should deliver higher. Well, you know, backtesting is going good, man. Backtesting is going good so far. I mean, getting to learn the model better, and you know, it's paying off in the live markets as well, except that for this week we've been ranging way too hard, but in the past weeks it had been working quite good. So I think it's providing results, considering that it's made me pass some accounts, get a couple of payouts. So, you know, it's all for the best. Okay, here we are getting a crazy SMT as well. You can see that these lows here got run, this low here got run, so we have an SMT right here, and checking the 5 minute, we retraced into this small gap right here. So I'm not gonna wait for price for NQ to run all the way to these lows. Since we're delivering off of an SMT, I'd like to just try out longs then and see if price delivers to this high and this high here. So that would be good, something like this, 1.4 hour kind of trade. And bang, get stopped out right away. Relatively equal lows. It's okay. Let's see what is going to happen next. I still believe the price is bullish. Let's see how this 2 minute closes. 2 minute will be better instead of the 1 minute. Okay, so 2 minute just inversed. And well, the 1 minute still has a bit of the gap left, but I think I might go with the 2 minute bias here. So SMT got invalidated, but either way price is still looking bullish. We tapped into this 30 minutes, closed inside of them. It's pretty much the same thing with this 1 hour inversion here. So let's see how it goes. I'm trying out longs. I put my stop somewhere around here and see if we can deliver all the way to these highs. Move to break even at around this high here as well. Ooh, don't tell me it's gonna miss that high. Yeah, yes, it's not displacing good, so we're gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, let's go to the next trading day. Looks like this wouldn't be a good day for me to trade. Let's wait and see if it actually draws to those highs or if it continues going lower. Okay, let's go to the next trading day. Looks like there's nothing for me to take from this day. Go go to the daily time frame. Looks like on the daily time frame we're actually dropping and retracing lower instead of continuing higher, which is not what I wanted to see. So let's see if price will displace lower on this day. What will the draws be if we are bearish? Well, these lows here are good. These Asia and these untapped Asia lows here are also great. So maybe if we continue the bearishness, disregarding this daily gap here, then we might actually tap into those lows. We have a very beautiful gap here that's holding. So in the next retracement, I will try shorts. Okay, there is the push. Should start rejecting soon if it's bearish, and it starts flying right away. Okay, might be going to these Asia highs. And bang, we ran the Asia highs right away. And the 4-hour closes extremely bullish, making us tap into this 4-hour fair value gap, and checking the 1 hour should start displacing maybe after this run on liquidity. So what I'd like to see in this kind of situation is maybe like a gentle retracement into like a 5 or 15 minute fair value gap, then we'll try out longs. That will be the best opportunity to take. Bro, price is not retracing with any inversion of any kind of that stuff, and this is a crazy rejection. Very good though. And let's just go to the next trading day. Price is at all-time highs, so that obviously indicates the price is still continue going higher. So 4 hour is retracing inside of this gap here, and yesterday you can see we ended up running the highs that I was thinking that price would run anyways. This day here, I expect it to open and run this high here, will be great. And as of now, checking the 1 hour, we are good with this liquidity run. 30 minutes, it's about to inverse. 15 minutes will also probably inverse here. Let's see if price will displace higher. Okay, get a 5 minute gap retracement, the 15 minute gap. Let's see if we get another one. Okay, it's a good 15 minute gap retracement. So if we start inversing here, I think we can try out some good longs. Okay, here's the liquidity run. I think we should start displacing higher now. We still have the SMT there, and we have the inversion. So I'm gonna try out longs now, and once we tap into this 15 minute, I'll obviously be moving to break even. This is 9:30 open, 9:32. Okay. It's the longs here. Damn, we're going lower. Failed to tap into this high here. Getting cooked back to back. And the SMT gets invalidated as well. Still believe price is bullish with the way this kind of is closing, and that we are in this huge gap. 5 minute inverse these two gaps here, so you might try out some longs again, and once we don't reach there, once we don't reach that gap, then I will obviously close the position. Trail to break even. No way this 15-minute wants to reject. Ah, come on. It's also a 30-minute. So yeah, we might get cooked. Low key, we might get cooked. You can see, as we expected, we get cooked. Yeah, not the best trading day, I say. Let's see how the next one goes. Bro, whenever I try to long, the market starts going lower heavily. Like, why is it missing these draws every single time? So maybe today is the day, or not. We'll just see how it goes. The 15 minutes, okay. Let's see if we can get a liquidity run. Oof, right off open, nothing. Price just simply displaces higher. This will be good if we are bullish. So it's a 5-minute gap retracement, but it's a heavy drop as well. Okay, so we started displacing higher, so this should be the time where these gaps get inversed and we try longs. I'd rather enter off this inversion instead of waiting for like a 1 minute, because it won't look any clearer. And checking the 15 here, you can see that we didn't inverse nothing, and oof, this is actually not some good 1 hour close. These wicks aren't looking that good, but I think this 1 hour we can reach all the way to this 1 hour wick probably. So let's just try longs and see. And might also head to these relatively equal highs. Oh, that would be great for a full 2 hour. It has failed to run this high. To get stuck there, I wanted to get break even at this high, but since it had failed to run it, I would have to get stopped out right away. That's insane. Break my heart, break my heart, break my heart. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this today as the last day here. Let's do this trading day here. Okay, there's an SMT here. I think you can see it, where ES run Asia lows, but NQ didn't. So let's see if it displays higher. I like to see price displays higher, but it's consolidating heavily. I don't know what was happening in July. Literally nothing. And the 4 hour will closed very bullish, and what that means is that we're going higher, right? So let me wait for the next retracement. Maybe might try longs on that. Get a 5-minute gap retracement that inverses actually. Okay, 15-minute gap retracement. Now we should go higher. Okay, 15 minute is rejecting good. Checking the 3 minute. Can try out longs right here. This stop will be at this low. Looking for this high to get tapped. That's a 2.33 hour trade. No way we're gonna hit the top loss at this area. Damn, this is heavy. Yeah, so I'm gonna close the backtesting session here. It was good doing some tape reading and getting more familiar with the charts. See you next time. Stay blessed. Shout out to Rich of Pro Firms for watching the video, watching the stream. Have a great time. Stay blessed. Peace.